Story using words. Let's try to create a story using given words in any order. Enjoy using words in your own way and be as creative as you can in this activity. So here is an example how you can do it. My words are puppy, rainbow, ice cream, playground and treasure. And the title of my story is The Puppy's Rainbow Adventure. Once upon a time, a playful puppy named Buddy went to the playground. He loved running on the grass and chasing butterflies. One day, while digging in the sand, Buddy discovered a buried treasure chest. Inside, he found colorful ice cream, treats in every flavor of the rainbow. Buddy shared the ice cream with his friends and they all had a scrumptious feast. Buddy's rainbow adventure at the playground was the talk of the town and he became a local hero. So here are the tips that you need to follow when you present. Frame your story in simple language. Keep the story short and engaging. Third, practice your story delivery in advance. Fourth, make eye contact while sharing your story. And fifth, be presentable with proper hand gestures and speech delivery. Give your best. Good luck.